Basil's search function can help locate any item, including client users, team members, roles, statuses, documents, folders, e-signature statuses, tags, etc. There are two types of searching for items, local and global searches. The local search is contextual, meaning that it will only search on the same level folder that you are currently viewing. It will not check the contents of subfolders or go outside the currently viewed level to match items of your search query. In this example, we see every file from the screenshots folder of my firm that matches the text chart. These items are local to this folder and not its subfolders, which is why the local search only returns these items. From the People tab, we can search part of the client's name to find them more quickly, especially if you have many clients that don't just show on one page. The global search is found at the very top of Basil next to the notification bell icon. Typing your query in here to search will scan all items in your Basil account and return any items that match the input. The results you see here will show you every client, workspace, folder, file, tag, or file marked with a category that matches the type you typed in. In the example here, we see every task, template, and file that matches the criteria of payroll. Among these task results, we can see one task that doesn't mention payroll in the name, but if we open it, we can see payroll is used as a tag. This is an example of when you might want to add tags when creating tasks. You can also search statuses of tasks and e-signatures. Here we can see all PDFs with sign pending.